Hello, my geniuses. How are you doing? How are you doing today? I hope that you are fine. I am fine. Thank you for asking. Okay, guys, we're going to jump right into our lesson today. Today we are looking at commas and question mark. Okay, so we're looking at commas and question mark. And yes, you guessed it right. We are doing punctuation marks, all right? So we're looking at two punctuation marks today. We're going to look at where and when we use the commas and question mark, all right? So this is what the comma looks like, guys. Good, beautiful. So this is a comma and this is a question mark. It's not the cutest question mark, but you get it, right? So commas and question marks. Now for the commas. So we're looking at the commas first. Commas are used to set off the name of the person being addressed from the rest of the sentence. All right? So here we have an example. Claudia, thank you for watching my channel every day. All right? Claudia, thank you for watching my channel every day. So the comma naturally goes after Claudia because you call the name, so it's after the person's name, okay? So it's used to set off the name of the person being addressed from the rest of the sentence. Beautiful. So that's one use of the comma. And next use is, it is used to separate nouns in a series, all right? So a comma is used to separate nouns in a series. And remember that a series names 3 or more items. So a series names 3 or more items. So let's say I had milk, cheese, bun. But stop, pause for a minute, listen this for me deeply because I see it in many books and people are still doing it. Guys, there is never a comma before the and. So there should be no comma before the and, okay? So it's I had milk, comma, cheese, comma, bun, and. Since we're going to use and here, there is never a comma before the and or after the and, okay? So you never put the comma before the and or after the and eggs. So here, I'll repeat this for you. So the comma is also used to separate nouns in a series, and a series names 3 or more items. Example, I had milk, cheese, bun, and eggs. All right, guys? So that's two ways that we use the comma. Okay, for number 3, we use the comma to separate yes, no, and well when they begin a sentence, okay? So once well, no, yes begin a sentence, then there should be a comma after it, okay? Look at my example. No, she is not my friend. Got that? So no, the comma comes directly after. She is not my friend. Here, it begins the sentence, okay? We also use the comma to separate the day from the year when writing the date. And look at my example. We have September 29. The comma is used here to separate the day from the year 2020. All right? So that's one other place that we use the comma. Now guys, I have an activity for you. So you're going to use the comma where necessary, all right? So you'll use the comma where necessary. I saw mangoes, plums, cherries, oranges, grapes, and pineapples at the store, okay? You are going to put those commas in for me, so you'll rewrite that in the comment section. Yes, I know it's long, but you can do it. The next one, yes, we played together. Where would you put the comma there? And for the final one, today is June 29, 2021. Of course, today is not that day, but I want to see if you know how to use the comma correctly. So where would you put the comma there? All right. Okay, my geniuses. The question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. All right. So the question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. Now, when we talk about interrogative sentence, we're talking about those that ask questions. We use them, all right? So who, what, when, where, why, how, okay? Those are the 6 most popular ones. So we use these when we are asking questions. Who are you looking at? Who are you looking at? Who are you looking at? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? When will you come to see me? When will you come to see me? When will you come to see me? Got it? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Why is that on the table? Why is that on the table? Why is that on the table? How? How are we going to get home? How are we going to get home? How are we going to get home? All right? So my geniuses, remember, the question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. And we usually begin those with who, what, when, where, why, and how. All right? Now, of course, there are others. Can you please take me there? See? Can you please take me there? And of course, can is not on the board here. So that's why I say usually, all right? Because there are others. So guys, what you're going to do for me is you're going to do a little activity. And I know you can manage this because you are geniuses naturally. So you're going to use who, what, where, when, or how to complete these sentences. And I am not going to help you because I know you can do them. Dash are you looking at? So which of these would you put here? And while you can use one more than once, I would prefer if you don't, okay? So dash are you looking at? Blank, are you coming to see me? Blank, are you going? Blank, are you doing today? Blank is that. You got it, my geniuses? Good. So I want you to use who, what, where, when, or how to complete these questions for me. And they are right there. All right, my geniuses, I want to thank you for joining me today on Reading Unlimited with Kadian. I also want to thank you sincerely and wholeheartedly for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please remember to like and comment because that's the only way I can hear from you. If you have not yet done so, please subscribe, okay? And remember, touch that notification bell so you will be the first to know once I upload videos. I hope that you've been looking in that mirror. I hope you've been telling yourself how awesome you are, how beautiful you are, how gorgeous you are, how wonderful you are, how special you are. Be kind to yourself. But in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say about people, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.